When your baby's tiny cough keeps them and you up at night, it's time to turn to gentle, time-tested home remedies that soothe without side effects. Start with steam. A warm shower running in a closed bathroom turns it into a mini sauna. Sit with your baby in the steam for 10 to 15 minutes eases congestion naturally. A cool mist humidifier in the nursery keeps air moist. Dry air makes cough worse, so this simple fix can work wonders overnight. For nursing moms, don't stop. Breast milk is packed with antibodies and hydration, helping your baby's body fight infection and soothe irritated throats. Stuffy nose. Use saline drops and a nasal aspirator. Clearing mucus can instantly ease post-nasal drip, which often triggers coughing. Elevate their head slightly during sleep plays. A towel under the mattress, not under baby. This helps drainage and reduces nighttime coughing fits. A baby-safe vapor rub on chest, back, and soles of feet can provide relief. Avoid adult versions. Go for ones made for infants with eucalyptus or lavender. This might sound odd, but a plate of sliced onion near the crib helps some parents. Its natural vapors can ease breathing. An old-school remedy with loyal fans. Boil cumin seeds in water, cool it down, and offer a teaspoon to babies over 6 months. It helps soothe cough and boost digestion too. Fennel seed water is gentle and effective. Crush and boil, then strain. This age-old remedy eases gas and cough naturally. Safe for babies above 6 months. Roast ajwain carom seeds in a dry pan. Wrap in cloth and let baby inhale its warmth, not too hot. Great for chest congestion and stuffy noses. Rubbing mustard. Oil infused with garlic on the soles of feet and covering with socks helps many. It's warming, calming, and time-tested. For babies older than 1 year, mix a tiny bit of ginger juice with honey. A natural cough syrup, but avoid honey for babies under 12 months. Again, for toddlers over 1, warm water with a little honey before bed coats the throat and helps reduce coughing spells during the night. Chamomile tea, just a sip, is safe for babies over 6 months. It calms the throat and the baby. Offer warm, not hot always. Test temperature. Gentle chest massage using coconut oil or warm ghee can relax the baby's chest muscles and make breathing easier. Calm hands. Light pressure, love-filled healing. Fresh air helps too. Open the window for a few minutes if weather allows. Just 10 minutes of gentle, clean air can ease cough naturally. It helps open up airways and brings comfort. Just a few leaves. Natural herbal steam therapy. A calm parent means a calm baby. Keep yourself hydrated, rested, and emotionally steady. Babies feel everything. Your peace brings their relief. Steamed and mashed apples soothe the throat. Rich in antioxidants, they make a gentle, healthy treat for babies above 6 months. Offer warm water sips. Offer warm water sips often if your baby's over 6 months. Hydration helps thin mucus and reduces coughing fits. Keep your baby warm, but not too hot. Overheating can worsen coughing. Dress in breathable layers and monitor room temperature. Breastfeeding. Drink tulsi ginger. Water yourself. Your body passes the benefits through breast milk, giving your baby mild herbal relief safely. Never smoke near babies. Even third-hand smoke clinging to clothes can irritate their lungs. Keep the air clean. It's the best remedy of all. Gentle play and distraction reduce crying, which can worsen cough. Sing, coddle, and swathe. They may not stop the cough, but they calm the baby. Consistent bedtime and dim lights support restful sleep. A well-rested baby heals faster. Nighttime is when the body gets to work on recovery. Always check for fever. If the cough comes with high temperature or labored breathing, skip the home fix and call your pediatrician. Keep a baby-safe health kit at home. Saline, bulb, syringe, thermometer, and vapor rub for infants. Essentials for any coffee night. For toddlers, a pinch of roasted ginger powder mixed with garlic and black salt helps, but always test a tiny bit first to check for irritation. Motion calms the vagus nerve, which can trigger cough reflex. Rocking gently while humming works more magic than you think. Chicken or veggie broth, if age-appropriate, keeps them nourished and warm. Bonus broths help loosen mucus and calm inflammation. Clean baby's mouth gently with a soft cloth. Residue can cause irritation and coughing, especially after meals or milk. Soft lullabies or white noise help regulate sleep and soothe the nervous system. Sound can be a subtle healer. Pears are naturally cooling and good for dry cough. Steam and mash them for babies older than 6 months. Sweet, mild, and healing. Herbal sips like dill water or cumin water in small doses offer digestive and respiratory support for little ones always. Check with a pediatrician first. Clear nasal passages equals better sleep equals less cough. Use saline spray before nap sits, a game changer for tiny noses. Moms can massage with clove-infused oil warm, not hot for children over 1 year. Just a few drops on chest and back. Read labels. Not all natural products are safe for infants. Skip camphor, menthol, or eucalyptus in under 2 South. Unless clearly marked safe, dust and allergens worsen baby cough. Wash sheets often and use an air purifier if possiblest, especially during flu season. Barley water is gentle on tiny tummies and helps soothe internal heat. Offer in small sips to older babies with dry cough. Sanitize toys and teethers regularly. Germs love those drooly items, and reinfection happens fast. Clean gear equals faster healing. Babies heal better when the whole home is calm and clean.
Your love,
care, and natural remedies can do more than any quick fix. Know the cough, type wet or dry. Remedies differ slightly. Wet cough needs mucus loosening. Dry cough needs throat soothing. One last time no honey under 1-year-old? It can cause infant botulism after their first birthday. It's nature's best sweet medicine. Keep a symptom log. When the cough started, what worsens it? What soothes it? Helpful for doctors and for you to track progress. Healing is a team effort. Babies need cuddles.com and care more than medicine most days. You've got this. So to recap: humidifier, steam, saline drops, warm fluids, tummy-friendly foods, and love. These simple home remedies support your baby's healing journey. With the right remedies and a little patience, that stubborn baby cough will pass. Let nature work gently, and your baby will bounce back beautifully.